The Frog Professional Development Platform is for organisations that put a high value on staff training and development. Designed in consultation with learning and development teams from a range of large forward-thinking organisations and built by Frog Education, who have over 20 years experience in online learning. The Professional Development Platform provides each learner with their own personalised list of their training modules, while giving your internal training teams a simple, easy-to-edit interface to create material. Frog's Professional Development Platform also comes with tracking reports, allowing you to see how each learner is progressing and how your organisation is doing as a whole. Each module provides opportunities for self or manager assessment, as well as interactive self-marking quizzes.